So in preparation for doing surface area, you need to know how to find area and perimeter of rectangles and triangles before you can find surface area of either one. So I'm just doing a quick little lesson over area of both area and perimeter of rectangles and triangles, and then you just have some practice to do. So here's your formula chart that you will be using. And the first thing that we're going to look at is area of rectangles. So that's your formula, A equals BH. So if I have the formula A equals BH, I know that you want to maybe get it confused with the big B that we have been messing with volume, but notice that one is a capital B and this one is a lowercase b. So that lowercase b is basically representing the length of the base. And this is going to be our height of our rectangle. So if we have this first rectangle here, I know that my formula is A equals BH. So in a sense, this would be like my base and this would be my height. So to find my area, I'm basically doing 6 times 4, which gives me 24. And since it is area, it's going to be kilometers squared. Now, since it's a rectangle, if this side is 6, then this side is also 6. If this is 4, then this side is also 4. So to find my perimeter, remember perimeter is the distance all the way around my rectangle. So I would just add up all the sides. So 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4, which gives me a perimeter of 20 kilometers. So again, on this next one, my area, I would have 3 times 6 to find the area because my base and my height. So I'm going to have 18 centimeters squared. And then again, this side would be 3, this side would be 6. So to find my perimeter, I'm going to do 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6, which gives me 18 centimeters. Now I get that my area and my perimeter are the same, but they are representing different measurements. The area is the inside and perimeter is the distance around. So area would be like if I wanted to lay grass in my yard, that would be the area. And then the perimeter would be like if I wanted to build a fence around that yard that I just laid the grass. So even though the numbers are the same, they represent different types of measurement. I'll do a couple more with you. On this one with the decimals, again, you're doing the same thing. It would be 7.6 times 4.3, which gives you 32.68 centimeters squared. This one, you're just adding the sides up. Which gives me 130.72 centimeters. Now on this one with the fractions, still the same thing. If you have a graphing calculator, you can use the alpha y equals and press button number 2 or option 2 because that will give you a mixed number. If you don't, you can turn these into a decimal. If you have 9 3/4, it's like having 9.75. If you have $3.50, that's like having $3.50 dollars. So that is rectangles. I am recording another one for triangles, so check that next video.